In this tutorial, we're going to see how to count in Excel. Count is a key function used in analysis. So there are different types of count functions available in Excel. Count, count A, count blank, count if, count ifs. So we're going to look at how all these functions work. So here we have a column. We would like to see how count works. So this column has different types of data. It has text, it has numbers, it has blanks. So let's see the first three functions. I'll just highlight the functions and what they count here. Count, count A, and count blank. So we'll see what each of this function returns. I'm going to write the function here. We'll say equal to count. So what is the range we want to count? There are 12 values. So count produces only 5. This is because count will count only the numerical values and not any text or blank values. We can check this by adding a value here. You can see that has become 6. Now count A on the other hand will count everything except blanks. Let's see how count A works. We're going to copy the same range. So it shows 10. So we have 2 blanks and count A is not showing that. Now count blank will count only the blanks. So it's showing 2. If we add anything here, the numbers change. So this is how count A and count blank works. Count if and count ifs are similar. Count if will count based on a specific condition. Count if can take only one condition. In this case, we are saying wherever product group is beverages, you count that. So let's see how to work with this. Equal to, we want count if range. What is the range? We're looking at this range, the B column, comma. What is the criteria we want? Beverages. So we have 41 beverages. Is this true? We can go here, select all the beverages. See the count at the bottom is 41. So this is true. So COUNTIF is a key function used for a lot of analysis where you want to count the occurrence of a specific value. What COUNTIFs does is it lets you have multiple conditions and count rows based on satisfying multiple conditions. Let's see how to use that here. We have 3 conditions here. Product group should be beverages, product category should be tea, and product type should be brewed chai tea. So we'll see how many brewed chai tea we have. Beverages, we have teas here, we have brewed chai tea here. So we have about 6 of them. So let's go and check our formula. Equal to count if s, the first range is product group, comma, the first criteria is beverages, the second is product category, which is C, value is T, so we'll have to be case sensitive. Third is product type, brewed chai tea. So we have 6 here. Count ifs is extremely useful when you're doing analysis across thousands of rows. Hope this tutorial was useful. Please use the comments to share your feedback. Thank you.